The number string detection. How to create a function number stream str that takes the str parameter being passed, which will contain the numbers 2 through 9, and determine if there is a consecutive stream of digits of at least n length where n is the actual digit value. If so, program should return the string true, otherwise, program should return the string false. For example, if str is 6,539,923,335, then the program should return the string true because there is a consecutive stream of 3s of length 3. I have written the code, but it needs some changes to perform as desired.
Your code is almost correct. But first of all, I strongly advise you not to use inbuilt functions as variable names. By using the name str, you overwrite the function str, and therefore the shown code can't work. All you have to do is in your comparison before the return put a str_count instead of the direct variable. You are otherwise comparing an integer with a string, and it will always return false. For that, however, you have to change the variable name str to something else like string. The code would look like this. Here's some other solutions for it. A very simple solution for this would be to just generate the number of consecutive numbers as a string and test if they are in the string. Or if you want to do it using a for loop. If permitted, a regular expression can replace all the counting and accounting logic. Pattern is an alternation of each digit and the required number of repetitions, 2 2 vertical bar 3 3 vertical bar 4 4, ...
Here is the code for number stream detection or continuous number and list.
Yes.